So welcome for today's class of mathematics. Today's question is taken from class 10 mathematics from trigonometry chapter 8. Exercise 8.1 I will be solving from 3 to 11. Okay, question number exercise 8.1 question number 3 to 11 I will be solving all this. So let me start. So take down today's question. If sin A is equal to 3 upon 4, calculate cos A and tan A. So basically what we know is over here that sin A is equal to 3 upon 4. Sin A means opposite upon hypotenuse. Now opposite of A is BC. So opposite side is 3. Okay. So take down this. So this is nothing but BC upon AC. AC is your hypotenuse. Okay. So this will be equal to 3 upon 4. Okay, first we actually write it as 3 and 4. Okay, then we take this BC to be 3K. So you can write down let BC is equal to 3K and AC is equal to 4K. Okay, I take this BC to be 3K and AC to be 4K. So I have written it as it is. BC is equal to 3K and AC is equal to 4K. Okay, now I will be applying by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, I will be using Pythagoras theorem now. So write down by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. First, I'll write down. We are applying this triangle for ABC, right? So AC square, you all can write down AC square is equal to AB square plus BC the whole square. Okay, so I have taken a triangle over here, ABC. First of all, and B is 90 degree and BC is 3K and this is 4K. Because opposite upon adjacent it is. Opposite of A is nothing but BC, that's why it's 3K. And hypotenuse, we know that AC is hypotenuse and 4K. So we have taken this first step. I hope you have understood. Now if we are applying a Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse comes first. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So that's what I have written it over here. Now AC square, do we know what is the AC square? Yes, we know. 4K square, you can take down. Write down 4K square is equal to, so we have to write down 4K square is equal to, now what is AB? Is AB given over here? No, we need to find out. So write it as it is. AB square as it is. Plus, do we know BC? Yes, we know BC 3K. So write down 3K square. So basically we are squaring this. So this will become 16K square is equal to AB square plus 9K square. So we have to square this. So 4 square is 16K square, write it as it is equal to AB square, write it as it is, plus 3 square is 9 and K square. So now what we need to do is 16K square, this term will go here, so it will become minus 9K square. So you can directly write down, therefore, okay, what I'll have to write down, AB square is equal to 16K square minus 9K square. So AB square is equal to, subtract this, 16 minus 9 will give you all 7K square. If you take a square root, okay, you will get AB is equal to, this is taking square root. Okay, just take a square root, you will get root 7 and then K. Okay, the root is only for 7 because if you apply root for this, it will get cancelled and you will get K. So AB is equal to root 7K. Now it's easy for us to find out. So we need to find out cos A and tan A, right? We need to find cos A and tan A. So first I will find out cos A. So basically what is cos A? Cos A is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Now what is adjacent of cos A? So adjacent of cos A is nothing but AB. So AB upon AC hypotenuse. So AB upon AC you can write down. AB upon AC, which is equal to, you can take down root 7. AB is root 7k we got, right? Root 7k upon, what is AC? AC is nothing but 4k. So you can write down 4k. Here kk will get cancelled. You are left with root 7 upon 4. So cos A is equal to nothing but, you can write down, cos A is equal to nothing but root 7 upon 4. Okay, now let us find out tan A. Now what is tan A? Tan A is nothing but opposite side upon adjacent. Now what is opposite side of A? Opposite side of A is what? Opposite side of A is BC. So BC is nothing but 3k. So I'll write down BC upon, okay, now this is nothing but 3k, right? Now let us find out adjacent side of A. Adjacent side of A is AB. So AB is nothing but, what we got is root 7k. So this is nothing but AB, and this is nothing but, don't put this is equal to sign, this is nothing but root 7k. So obviously kk will get cancelled and you are left with tan A is equal to 3 upon root 7. So take down this question that is given. What is given over here? 15 cot A is equal to 8. Find sin A and sec A. We need to find these two. So start writing the question first. Okay, so what is given to you all is cot A, right? So from here I will start the solution. Cot A is given, right? Now what is the formula for cot A? Side, adjacent side, right? Adjacent upon, let me write down adjacent upon opposite. Okay, now what is adjacent now? Adjacent side of A is nothing but AB. So I'll write down AB. Now what is the opposite side of A is nothing but BC. So upon BC, AB upon BC you'll have to write down. Now cot A is given to be what? Cot A is equal to 8 upon 15. Right? We have to just bring this down 15. So cot A is equal to 8 upon 15. Okay. So this implies that, let me write down here, AB upon BC is equal to, because see here what is given, cot A is given to be AB upon BC, which is equal to 8 upon 15. So write down 8 upon 15. Okay, so then you all can write down let AB is equal to, let AB is equal to 8 and 8k it is, 8k, and BC is equal to 15k. Okay, so now let me explain you all the diagram. First you all have to draw a triangle ABC. Okay, this will be 90 degree over here, and this AB is your adjacent side of A, right? So that is AB. So AB is nothing but 8. So it is 8k. And this is your opposite side of A, that is BC. That's why it is BC is 15. Okay, so we take this AB to be 8k and BC to be 15k. On the next page I have already written it. Can just see this. Next step what we going to do is by Pythagoras theorem in triangle. Now this is a triangle which we have taken. So this is a triangle. In triangle ABC we are using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, all can just write down by Pythagoras theorem. First what we take is the hypotenuse, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC the whole square. Okay, so let me directly write down here without wasting much of the time. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC the whole square. Okay, now AC square, can you all see AC square is given to you all? AC square is not given, we need to find out AC. So AB and BC is given. AB is nothing but 8k and BC is nothing but 15k. So just write down is equal to 8k square and this is what, 15k square, right? So what is write down this AC square as it is. Now what is 8 square? 8 square is nothing but 64. So 64k square plus 15 square is nothing but 225k square. Next what we have is AC square. So we need to add both these numbers 64 and 225. So we get 289k square. Okay, after adding we get 289k square. So if you take the square root of this entire thing, 289k square, what answer you are going to get is AC is equal to, so AC is equal to 17k. Okay, square root of 289 is 17k. Okay, because 17 multiplied by 17 if you do, you will get 7 sevens are 49, 7 1 7 8 9 10 11 plus. So what I have done over here is 7 sevens are 49, 7 1 7 8 9 10 11 plus 1 sevens are 7 and 1 ones are 1. So we will get 9, 8, 2. 289 we got, right? So 289 is nothing but 17 and this root will go. Okay, so it will become 17k. So AC we got now 17k. So I can write down. So I will write down over here 17k. Okay. So let me start. So let us continue this. Okay. So what we need to write, we need to find out over here is sine A. In the question what they told us to find out is, we need to find out sine A. Sine A is nothing but opposite upon hypotenuse. So I can write down sine A is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, right? Now what is the opposite sine? Let us see. Let us see opposite of A is what? Opposite of A is nothing but BC and hypotenuse is AC. So BC upon AC. So write down BC upon AC and BC is nothing but 15k upon AC is nothing but 17k. Okay, we know that AC we know, right? 17k over here and BC we got it from here, A and C, so that is 17k. So here what is going to happen is this k and k will get cancelled. Therefore what is sine A? You are left with 15 upon 17, right? Next let us find, now let us find next is sec A. What is sec A? So let us find sec A. Now what is the formula for sec A? Hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Now what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is nothing but AC. And what is the adjacent of A? AB. Right? So AC upon AB. So AC upon AB all can write down. Now what is AC? AC we got to be 17k over here, 17k. So I can write down 17k upon what is AB, 8k. So write down 8k. So k will get cancelled. You are left with sec A is equal to 17 upon 8. Okay, so the two things were told us to find out. Okay, two things were told to find it. Okay, that is sin A and sec A we need to find out. So we got over here, we got what, sin A 15 upon 17, and the second one is sec A 17 upon 8. This question first. Given sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12, calculate all the trigonometric ratios. Okay, so what is given? 13 upon 12 is given. What is the formula for the sec? It is nothing but hypotenuse upon adjacent side, right? So which is your hypotenuse? That is your AC. Okay, because this is the theta over here. This particular part is theta. So sec theta, opposite of now what is sec theta? It's just hypotenuse upon adjacent of theta is nothing but AB. So AB is 12 and this is your hypotenuse, that is AC. Okay, so we are gonna do this. So what is given? Okay, so you'll have to draw a triangle over here first, that is ABC. This will be the theta, this AB will be 12 and here the hypotenuse will be 13. Okay. Now you all can write down sec theta. What this is already given, right? Sec theta is equal to AC upon, that is your hypotenuse, upon AB, that is your adjacent side. That now AC is nothing but 13 upon your adjacent side is 12. Now you all can say let AC is equal to 13k and AB is equal to 12k. Okay, you all can just take your AC to be 13k. Okay, take this AC to be 13k and AB to be 12k, where k will be a positive integer. Now we are applying the Pythagoras theorem for this. So in triangle, which triangle it is? In triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem. So I am applying a Pythagoras theorem over here. So it will be, what is the formula? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC the whole square, right? So first will be this side, AC the whole square, that is hypotenuse, then opposite plus adjacent, or this plus this. Okay, we are adding this, so there is no issue for this, AB square and plus BC the whole square. So just write down what is your AC over here, 13. So I can write down 13 square is equal to, now AB is given to be 12. 12 square. Okay, you all have to write down 12k over here and this will be 13k. Write down 13k because we are replaced this AC by 13k and AB by 12k. Okay, plus BC we need to find out, plus BC the whole square, write it as it is. Now 13k square is nothing but 169k the whole square is equal to, this will be 12k square means 144 k square. Okay, so 12 12s I will have to do, plus BC the whole square. Now take down 169k the whole square minus 144k the whole square is equal to BC the whole square. So what I have done is I have brought this term the other side, so it will become minus 144. Now subtract this and I will get 25k square, right? So write down over here BC the whole square, BC square is equal to, I will get 25k square after subtracting that. Now BC is equal to, if I give the entire root for this 25k square, I am gonna get BC is equal to, what is square root of 5? 25 is 5. and I will get k, because square and this square root will go cancel. So BC is equal to 5k. Now it is easy for us to find the sine. Sine, what I will find is sine theta. Before that, let me write this 5k over here. 5k. Okay, so I've written here 5k because I got 5k over here. Okay, so now we need to calculate all the trigonometric ratios. All means all, because now sec theta is already given, no need. So that's why first thing what I will be finding is sine theta. Okay, so let us see. Sine theta is what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Now what it is? BC upon AC, which is equal to 5 upon 13. Next, let us find out the cos theta. But before that, let me explain you all how I got this. Sin theta is nothing but opposite upon adjacent. Now, opposite of theta, we have to see the opposite of theta. Opposite of theta is nothing but BC. So, what I got is BC upon the hypotenuse is AC. So, it will be 5k upon 13k, right? So it will be 5k upon 13k. So what will happen is k will get cancelled. I will get 5 upon 13. So remember this. Next, moving towards the next one, that is cos theta. That will be the adjacent of theta upon. So adjacent of theta was nothing but AB upon what is the hypotenuse? AC. So what it is? 12k upon 5k is your AC, right? What we got is AC to be, let us see, AC is 13 and that is 12, right? So AC is 13, not 5. 13. So KK will get cancelled and I will get is 12 upon 13. So my cos theta is equal to 12 upon 13. Next, let us find out the tan theta. Okay, tan theta is equal to, it is opposite upon adjacent. So opposite means what? This is opposite. BC upon AB is your adjacent. So I will directly write down BC upon AB, and that is nothing but 5k upon 12k, right? So KK will get cancelled. I will get 5 upon 12. Okay. Next, let us find out the cot. So next, let us find out cot. Cot theta is equal to, this will be the adjacent upon, adjacent is what? AB. Adjacent upon opposite side, that is BC. So AB is what? 12 upon 5. Next, let us find out cosec. Cosec theta is equal to, this will be hypotenuse upon opposite, right? Hypotenuse upon opposite, which means that AC upon opposite side of that is BC. So what I'm gonna get is, here KK was mentioned, right? So KK I will remove, so I will get 12 upon 5. And here AC is nothing but 13k upon 5k. This is what we found out, right? KK. Okay, and what answer I am going to get is 13 upon 5. Okay, so therefore the cosec theta is 13 upon 5. Okay, so I hope you all have understood. So take down this question. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. So I have to show that this angle A is equal to this angle B. Right? How I am going to show this? So what is given first? Cos A is equal to cos B. So write down that first. Cos A is equal to cos B. Now we know the formula for cos A. Adjacent upon hypotenuse, same way adjacent upon hypotenuse. But the only thing is adjacent of A is AC. So write down AC and hypotenuse will be same, that will be AB. So same way it will be for this one. Adjacent of B will be BC and hypotenuse is your AB. So it will be BC upon AB. Now write down the same step again. Okay. You'll have to just write down the same step again. So BC upon AB. Now if I multiply both the side by AB, what is going to happen? Okay. So AB will get cancelled, AB will get cancelled. I am left with AC is equal to BC. So what I am going to get is AC is equal to BC. Now here the thing is that this C and this C will get cancelled. So what I am left with? So I am left with angle A. So I can say angle A is equal to angle B. By which rule it will be? This you all can write down angles opposite to equal sides are equal. In triangle. Okay. So you can take this. What you are going to do is take down this question. If cot theta is equal to 7 upon 8, cot theta means what? It will be the adjacent upon opposite. So adjacent side of this is your 7 and this will be your 8. So what you are going to say is write down this. Give a name for this. This I will give A, this I will give B and this I will give C. So let us find out this AC, this side. Okay, so we will be using the Pythagoras thing. So write down in triangle ABC, you all can start writing down this by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square, that is your hypotenuse, okay, is equal to next thing will be AB square plus BC the whole square. Okay, always the first thing is hypotenuse, then opposite and then adjacent will come. So AC we need to find out. AB is given as 8 and BC is given to be 7. So let us write down AC square, take it down as it is. Your AB is given to be 8 square and this BC is 7 square. Okay, so I can write down AC square is equal to, now what is given over here? 8 square is 64, 7 square is 49. So directly let me write 64 plus 49. Now AC is equal, AC square is equal to, now add these two numbers and see what you all are going to get. So 64 and 49, 9, 10, 13, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 113. 113 all are going to get. Okay, so AC, if I give this as a root, okay, I will be getting 113. So there is no nothing for this. Root of 113 is nothing. So we will get some complicated number. So we'll keep it as it is. Now let us find the first part. That is the first part is this one. 1 plus sin theta. So let me write down that first. So this 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Okay, from here it is. Then 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Now what is the rule for this one? So this into this is going to give you, you'll have to just learn the trigonometric identities for this to know this. 1 minus sin square theta upon 1 minus cos square theta we get, right? Now basically this is equal to what? 1 minus, now sin theta will be what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. So opposite of theta is what? Now what we got for here? Root 30. What answer we got is 113. So this is opposite is what? Opposite of theta is BAB. So AB is nothing but 8 and hypotenuse is root 113. So 8 upon this will be root 113, and here you all have to square it because of this. Next we are talking about this 1 minus, now cos will be adjacent. Adjacent we know 7 upon, it will be root hypotenuse, that is root 113 square. Now this is equal to 1 minus, now what is the square of 8? It will be 64, and this root will get cancelled. Okay, so 113 we are getting. 113 upon 1 minus 7 square is 49 upon 113. Okay, the next step is 113 minus 64 upon 113. Okay, let me write it on the next page, this part. So this is equal to 113 minus 64 upon 113. Okay, now this will be upon, here it will be, you all have to multiply this with this, so you'll get 113 minus 49. 113 minus 49 upon 113. So these things are going to get cancelled, and you are remaining with what? Now minus this 113 minus 64, you are going to get 49 upon 113 minus 49, you are going to get 64. Okay, so I hope you all are clear with the first part. Now second one was told to find out, that is the cot. Second part was nothing but cot. It is given to be cot square theta. Cot square theta is to be found. Okay, now what is cot theta? Cot theta is nothing but 7 upon 8. Okay, square. What is cot theta? Here you all can see cot theta is given to be 7 upon 8. Okay, so if I give this square for other side, it will become 7 upon 8 square, right? So what is your cot square theta will be? Cot square theta is gonna be, see this is nothing but this. So cot square theta means we are squaring this, so it will be nothing but 49 upon 64 will be this thing. Okay, so this will be your cot square theta. Okay, so I hope you'll have understood. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, we need to check whether 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. We need to check if this thing is equal to this or not. Okay, so let us see. Now what is given in, I have drawn a one triangle, that is ABC. In this triangle, the what is cot A? Now given that cot A is equal to, cot A is equal to nothing but 4 upon 3, right? So what I have done over here, 4 upon 3 means the first thing what I have done over here is 4 upon 3. So this will be the adjacent of A is nothing but AB, that will be the 4, and opposite of A will be BC, that will be the 3. Okay, so like this way you'll have to do it. So first I will write in triangle ABC. Okay, then let me write down AC by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this is by Pythagoras theorem. Let me write it over here. By Pythagoras theorem, you'll write it in the full form. So let me write it. AC square is equal to AB the whole square plus B the whole square. Okay, so these two sides are given. We need to find AC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square, write it as it is over here. AC square is equal to, now what is it? Now what is given? AB will be 4 square plus 3 square. BC is 3. So 4 square plus 3 square. 4 square plus 3 square. So AC square is equal to 4 square is nothing but 16 plus 3 square is 9. So AC is equal to, AC square is equal to 16 plus 9 is going to give you 25. So what will be the AC is equal to root 25. So what is root 25? If you take the square root, you will get 5. Square root of 25 is 5. So AC we got it to be 5. Now we need to find the first part. That is, let us find out the first part. That is 1 minus 10 square A upon 1 plus 10 square A. So now this is equal to what? 1 minus, now what is 10? 10 will be opposite. Opposite will be what? Opposite of A will be 3 upon, it will be 3 upon 4. Right? So write down 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 the whole square upon 1 plus 3 upon 4 the whole square. Okay. So it will be 1 minus, what is 3 square now? 9 upon 16 it will be 9 upon 16, and here it will be 1 plus 9 upon 16. So this is equal to 16 minus 9 upon 16, and here it will be 16 plus 9 upon 16. So here 16 will get cancelled. 16 minus 9 is going to give you all 16 minus 9 is what? 7, and 16 plus 5 is going to give you 16, 17, okay, 25. So 7 upon 25. So what will be your answer? 7 upon 25. Okay, so you all can write it down. 7 upon 25. Now let us find the second part. Second part was cos square A upon minus sin square A, sorry. So let us find out. Now what will be this one? Let us see if it is equal now. Continuation only it is. The second part it is left your right hand side. So cos square A minus sin square A. So what is your cos square A? Cos means adjacent of, that will be what? Adjacent of A is 3. So it will be cos, right? Cos will be 4. Cos, adjacent of cos A is 4 upon, it will be 4 upon the hypotenuse which we found out just now. Okay, we got 5, right? AC. So let me write it here also. So here the AC is nothing but 5. So write down over here. So adjacent of cos A. So adjacent upon hypotenuse. So adjacent of A is 4 upon hypotenuse is 5. So it will be 4 upon 5. So just write down here. 4 upon 5 the whole square minus sine will be like opposite upon hypotenuse. So opposite of this A is what? Nothing but 3 upon 5, that is hypotenuse 5. So write down 3 upon 5 the whole square. Now what you are going to get is 4 square is nothing but 16, 5 square is 25. So write down over here 16 upon 25 minus, and here what I got is 3 square is 9, 25 5 square, and this will be square of 5 will be 5 square is 25. So 9 upon 25 I can write down 9 upon 25. So basically this is common, right? 16 minus 9, if you all do upon 25, what answer you all are going to get is 7 upon 25. We are getting the same answer. See, for the first part also we got 7 upon 25, and the second part also we got 7 upon 25. So both are equal, right? So basically I can say that the final statement, that therefore this is equal to this. I can make that final statement now. Okay, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, which means that this part is equal to that part. 1 minus 10 square, okay, 10 square A upon 1 plus 10 square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. They're equal, okay. So with this I'm done. Triangle. So just take down this question. In triangle ABC, right angled at B. So here you can see a triangle ABC, It is right angled at B. If tan A is equal to 1 upon root 3, means what? It is opposite upon adjacent. So opposite of A is nothing but BC, that will be 1, and adjacent side will be root 3, that is AB. You need to find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. So let us find out. But before that, we need to find one of the side, that is AC. So write down, in triangle ABC, I will be using by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem, I will be using this theorem. Okay, so it will be AC square is equal to AB square plus B the whole square. Now what is AC square over here? AC square is not given, so keep it as it is. AC square, we need to keep it as it is. Now we have AB the whole square. AB is root 3, so write down, here it will be root 3, here it will be square, plus your BC is nothing but 1, so it will be 1 square. Okay, on the next line, what will be this root 3 square? This will get cancelled, so AC square is equal to, what I'm going to get is AC square is equal to, this will be 3 and this will be plus 1. So I'm going to get AC square is equal to 4, and if I take the root, AC is equal to root 4 is what? Root 4 is nothing but AC is equal to, I got 2. Okay, next let us find out sin square A and cos C. Here what we got is, let me rub this, okay. Here we got is 2. So this AC is what? Nothing but 2. Now we need to find sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. So let us find out the first part, that is sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Okay. Now what is sin A? Opposite of A is nothing but this will be 1 upon 2. So I got 1 upon 2. So write down 1 upon 2. In the bracket, again I have to write something here also and here also. So cos C means what? It is adjacent of C. So adjacent of C is nothing but CB. So it will be 1 upon 2 hypotenuse, right? So you can write down 1 upon 2. Then plus cos A. So it will be cos A means adjacent of A will be root 3 upon hypotenuse is 2. So this is nothing but root 3 upon 2. Again sin C we have. Sin C is what? Opposite of this will be root 3 upon 2 I will get. Again, okay, over here. So now this you will have to multiply. You will get 1 upon 4, sorry. 1 upon 2 2's are, your answer will be, because we are multiplying this. Here we will get root 3 square upon 4. So this will get cancelled and we are left with 1 plus 3 upon 4. So it will be 4 upon 4. So if I cancel this 4 ones are, what will be my answer? 1. So I will be getting answer to be, okay, let me write the answer here 1. Okay. Next let us find out the second one. Let us find out cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So let us find out the second part. What is the question? Cos A, and here it is cos C minus sin A sin C. Okay, so let us find out this. Now what is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C? We need to see. Now cos A means opposite or adjacent of A is root 3 upon, it will be root 3 upon hypotenuse 2. So root 3 upon 2. Next what we have is cos C. So adjacent of C it will be 1 upon 2. So write down 1 upon 2. Next what we have is sine A. So sine A means opposite of this will be 1 upon 2. So write down 1 upon 2, and sine C will be, it will be opposite. So root 3 upon 2. So here it is root 3 upon 2. So if I multiply, you will get root 3 upon 4. Here this is equal to root 3 upon 2 to your answer is 4. Okay, the denominator minus 1 into root 3 is root 3 upon your answer will be 2 to your answer will be 4. Okay, and root 3 upon 4 minus root 3 upon 4 is nothing but 0. So the second part what we got is 0 and the first part we got is 1. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Number 10, in triangle PQR. So here the triangle PQR is given to you all, right angled at Q. Here it is right angle at Q. PR plus QR is equal to 25 and PQ. Here PQ is given to be 5. You all have to determine the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. Here QR value is not given and PR is not given. Okay. So basically what we are doing is PQ is given, right? So write down this. PQ is equal to, you all will get 5 centimeter. Then you all can write down this PR plus QR is equal to 25. What is given? PR plus QR is equal to 25. In the question it is given, right? PR you all can keep it as it is equal to 25 minus QR you all can take down. Okay. So what I have done over here is I have kept this PR as it is equal to 25. QR I have taken it other side. So plus sign will turn into minus QR when I take it other side. Okay. So now we are going to apply a Pythagoras theorem for this triangle. Okay. So by Pythagoras theorem, you can just write down this by Pythagoras. By Pythagoras theorem. Okay, the first thing you all are going to write is PR the whole square plus opposite side, that is QR plus adjacent side, that is PQ. Okay, square. So write down over here PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Okay. Next, what I have taken my PR to be, I have taken it to be 25, PR is 25 minus QR. So I can write down 25 minus QR, square it, because square is there over here, you all can see square is there, then everywhere you all have to square, okay. So PQ is nothing but what? PQ is nothing but 5. So write down 5 square. QR is not given, so you'll have to write it as it is, QR the whole square. Okay, because QR square is not given. So here you all are going to apply A minus B the whole square rule. A minus B the whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B the whole square. This is a rule which we are applying. Okay. Okay, so write down 25 square plus QR the whole square minus, okay, 2 into 25 into QR, okay, is equal to 25 plus QR the whole square. Okay, let me explain you all what I have done over here is 25 square, here A, in place of A 25 is there, so put square. Then here B plus B the whole square. So in place of B, QR square. So plus QR square minus 2 into 25 into QR it will be. Okay, so just multiply and write down this. 5 square is 25 plus QR square. So here 25 square is nothing but 625 plus. Okay, now here the QR and the QR will get cancelled. QR square will get cancelled. You are left with minus 50 QR. Okay, multiply these two multiplied by 25, we will get minus 50 QR is equal to 25. Okay, so now 625 minus 25, this you will bring it here. So 625 minus 25 is equal to 50 QR. So what I have done is I have taken this minus QR other side, so it will become plus QR, and here it will become minus 25. 625 minus 25 is going to give you 600. Okay, is equal to this QR. Now take down this 50 down. This is QR. I have taken this 50 down, so cancel this 0 0. Okay, I can just divide here and see 60 and this is 5. 5 ones are 5, carry 1. Okay, just 1 will remain and then 0. 5 twos are 10. So what will be your answer? 12. Okay, just 5 ones are 5, 5 12s are. So therefore QR is equal to what we got is 12. So that's how I have written here 12. You can see here clearly I have written here 12 because we got 12 over here. Okay. Next, let us moving towards the PR. Here what I have taken is PR is equal to 25 minus QR, right? So take down that. So let me use a fresh page and write down. PR is equal to 25 minus QR. Because see here, from here it is. From this step I have taken it here. Now substitute the value PR we need to find out. So 25 minus what is QR, we got 12. So write down 12. So PR is equal to 25 minus 12 is gonna give you all 13. Okay, that's how I have written here 13. Okay, you can see over here 13. How 13 came? After solving this. Okay. Now you can write down sin P. Sin P is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Now opposite of P is what? Opposite of P is QR. So QR is nothing but 12. So I can write down 12 upon, what is the hypotenuse over here? P and R is the hypotenuse. So I can write down hypotenuse is 13, right? So what we are getting, sin P is equal to 12 upon 13. Now we need to find cos P and then tan P. So let us find out. Cos P is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Now what is the adjacent of P? Let us find out. Adjacent of P is PQ, that is 5, and hypotenuse is 13. So 5 upon 13 will be your answer. So I can write down 5 upon 13. Next what we have is tan P, which is equal to opposite upon adjacent is equal to. Now what is the opposite of P? I have said opposite of P is nothing but QR, that is 12, and adjacent of P will be 5. So it is 12 upon 5. So I can just take down 12 upon 5. Take down the question first. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Now the value of tan A is always less than 1. Is it true or false? Let us see. For example, if I take tan A is equal to, now tan A formula is opposite upon adjacent. So if I, in the given figure, I can just take down opposite is 12 and 5. So what we are gonna get is, it will be if you divide it, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and then 2 will remain, and then you will get approximately 2.4, right? So this 2.4 is greater than 1. Okay, 2.4 is greater than 1, but it says what? The value of tan A is always less than 1. But if we take this example, you all can see that 2.4 is greater than 1. So if you all just take this ulta, if you all take opposite upon adjacent, like tan A is equal to Suppose if you will take 5 upon 12, you will get 5 ones are 5, 5, 2.4. So this will be less. Okay, but we won't see this. But if I take such an example, you all can see that we are getting a value which is greater than 1. So it is not possible. The value of 10a is not always less than 1. Okay. It can be greater than 1 also. So obviously this statement, whatever they made, is a false statement. So I'll have to write down false over here. Moving towards the next one, that is sec A is equal to 12 upon 5 for value of angle A. So let us see this. So here you all can see that sec A is equal to opposite upon adjacent. So here opposite side is 5 and the adjacent side will be 12, right? Obviously hypotenuse is greater. So obviously now you all can see this will be 12 upon 5, right? 12 upon 5, opposite upon adjacent of A. So this will be only for some angle A, it will be, okay? So this will be true. Next, moving towards the third one, cos A is the abbreviature used for the cosine of angle A. If you see this properly, it is the statement is false, okay, because you can directly write down the statement is false, because cos A gives you cosine A and cosec A will give you cosine A. So this will be the false statement. Next, what we have is cot A is the product of cot and A. So obviously this is also the wrong statement, so I can write down the false. Okay, so the third and the fourth is false. Now we have the last statement, sin theta 4 upon 3 for some angle theta. Okay, so let us see this. Sin theta is equal to 4 upon 3 for some angle theta. So sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. So opposite of theta is what? This 4. So 4 and the hypotenuse is 3 over here. But can you see here the 3 is too small and the hypotenuse is always greater. So obviously the statement will be false statement. So I can just write down the final statement is also false statement. Okay. So we have the second one is true, the first one is false, third one is false, fourth one is false, and the fifth one is false. So I hope you have understood all this, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates.